Back bend, standing to target. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker looking to improve your spinal extension for movements like the gymnastics bridge, give this standing back bend to target a try. To perform this exercise, you're going to need an adjustable target. Here, I'm using a box and a stack of yoga blocks. As flexibility improves, you need to lower the target to keep progressing. Start by standing with your back to a target and your feet roughly hip-width apart. Set a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by contracting the glutes and tucking your tailbone between your legs. Push your hips forward and contract your quads to keep the hips extended and the legs straight. The movement begins by extending the cervical spine. Then lift the chest and extend the thoracic spine as far as possible. Keep the glutes contracted and do not lose the PPT here. As you lean the shoulders back, contract the muscles in your back to pull the spine into more extension. One way to increase the arch is to bend your elbows and try to pull your arms together behind your back. This allows you to contract the back muscles harder and move into a deeper arch. As you do this, push the hips forward and aim to keep the legs straight. If you have tightness in the anterior side of your body, you might start to feel a stretch in your quads, hips, or even abdominals. Continue to extend the spine, lift the chest, and contract the muscles in your back until you touch your head to the target. You can pause here and enjoy the deep stretch, or you can reverse the movement and stand up straight. If the target feels easy to touch, lower it and try again. The focus here is on increasing spinal extension, so you want to be mindful of contracting the muscles in your back to pull you into a deeper arch so you can go lower. The standing back bend to target can be performed for repetitions, isometric holds, or a combination. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.